Hello. Okay, so these the questions we did for last week. Any questions? They are already pretty tough lah, right? Not because nothing new today for the chapter lah. Okay, the only new things are your union intersect. The rest you get better when you do more practices. So anything from here? Wait, it's gonna come up. But honestly, don't mind repeating any of the questions here because I know they are a bit tough. Including number 2, I just had to erase it because I couldn't write this. Anything? If no, okay. Also, you all try to learn from these people from other classes lah. Okay. So they given 26 pages, right? Wow, there are people that actually do their like homework revision at home. I'm not sure if you are one of those people, but there are people like that. Okay. So they found some problematic questions for me. So let me discuss those questions first. They have some problems. Okay, let me see, where are they? Oh, the first question is on page number 15. Question number 2. Once again, this question is there are some errors in it. Okay, so it may be weird when I discuss this question later, but anything you're confused with, just let me know. Wow, oh my god. But yeah, this question is basically from this page onwards, honestly, all the questions here, they look like they're from the same reference book. And long story short, this reference book is very bad. Okay, you will see why later. In case in the future, for whatever chapter you see questions like this, make sure you come and ask me. Okay, so we look at number 2 because there are a few more at the back. Okay, looking at this question, badminton, blah 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 blah. Okay, one quick reminder, guys. When you see 3 sets, okay, 3 things like badminton, swimming, and soccer, don't automatically assume all 3 circles, all 3 sets will be drawn like this. Excuse me, just had my feet. Okay, that's number 1. Okay, we will only know how they look like when you read the question, and yeah, then you will see how they interact with each other. Okay, because this is an objective question, we see blah blah blah, and then we see A, B, C, D, or 3 circles. Memang lah, they do intersect each other. That's how we know. Okay, now badminton 21. Did they say only? Nope. So this means the 21 students here, they could be doing something else as well. Okay, maybe they play badminton, yes, but also maybe they also swim. Unless you see they say, hey, here, you can see the difference. You see swimming? You see swimming only? Got difference, Okay. So swimming 14 without the only, they already included something else. Okay. Swimming only, super specific, super safe. The 5 people, yes, they only swim. Okay, make sure you know the difference. Okay. Let me erase question 3. So I got space to write that. Okay, if you have to do this question on your own, this is objective, they show you A, B, C, D already. Okay, but just saying, if you do this question on your own, like a subjective question, again, this question, we only know the 3 circles. Wait, why I cannot undo? I'm not sure why I cannot undo, but it's okay. My God. Okay, I need to use my fingers. Okay, my iPad is acting weird, probably because I'm charging it. Okay, but I cannot. Can you try unplug it first? Whatever. Okay, badminton, then swimming. Oh, sorry, they say R for swimming, and then they put S for soccer. Okay, this question we know it to be like this because of the A, B, C, D. All right, you should read the question one. And then the badminton 21 is the entire B, okay? Then badminton only is here, no difference. Okay. So the only safe thing we can label is the swimming only. Fine. Where to label? Here. The rest, these that they did not say only, cannot do anything yet. Then soccer, 7. Soccer only, sorry. Soccer only, 7. See where I label? Okay. The rest, again, honestly, I can't do anything yet. But how do we continue? Did you read this one? 40 students total, right? And as you can see, for the options they drew you, seems like there are no people outside, correct? So total is 40, right? And then I mentioned many times before, badminton, they say, let me try. Okay, maybe I do it this way. Sorry, no. Maybe I do it this way. They say badminton is 21. So it seems like 21 is here. 5 is here. 7, okay, one last spot. How do we get this one last spot? Supposedly, we use 40 total. 40 minus everything, correct? So let's try to do that. 40 minus 21 minus 5 minus 7. Okay, balance is 7. But we don't see any A, B, C, D here. Why? Because question got error. Now I try to show you. Okay, but again, this should be what happens when you do this on your own. How you check the question, how you label the numbers. Okay, so come. I can still find answer lah, and then I explain what they did wrong so you can do better in your exam. Okay, so badminton 21 again. Let's check badminton first. Okay, see the entire B. 15 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Do you get 21? You press the calculator. Yes lah. 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So A has no problem. I check the next one. Okay. Once we see A, anybody, the badminton is not 21, we know that it's wrong, and then we cross it straight away. Understand? So 12. The C, okay, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Okay, the B for C is correct, right? And this one, 14 plus 14, 14 plus 4, and then plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. No problem. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, so everybody got the B correct. We check the berenang, okay, you check the swimming, 14. Okay, you guys have the notes already, right? Today is week 1, so they say R for swimming. Okay, so check it out. 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. Answer is 12. But swimming should be 14. So I know A is wrong. Because the R is wrong. R is supposed to be 14 altogether. Understand? C. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10 really. 10 plus 1, 11. Listen, this one is also wrong. Eliminated right away. Yeah, following what I've been saying so far, because other students from other class, they already picked all these problematic questions and asked me already. That's how I know. Now I tell you first. B. 5 plus 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4 plus 1 is already 10, 10 plus 3 is only 13. So this one is also wrong. Okay, D is probably correct, but let's check. 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, we do get 14 for the swimming. So betul already. Okay, now actually, in the exam, yeah, this is the moment we all circle D lah. Okay, but what is still wrong with this question? Let's check. Soccer is 15, so you go check soccer 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, and 1 is 15. Okay, soccer, no problem. Badminton and berenang, badminton and swimming. Badminton and swimming is 5. Okay. Listen, some of you may need to listen carefully as well. Now, for the badminton and swimming that they say, they are referring to what I circle here. Okay. Unless they say badminton and swimming only, then it will be the 2. So for what they say there, badminton and swimming, so includes the 2 and 3, because the 3 people here, they do badminton, also they do swim. Okay, they didn't mention only, so they are correct so far. Bola sepak and soccer and swimming, 7. So here's the 7. You can see, huh? If anything weird, you all let me know. Swimming only is 5. Soccer only is 7. So actually, everything is correct. But you help add all the numbers together. Let's see. 15 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7. You only get 37. What's wrong, man? This reference book is so bad. The total is supposed to be 40 students. How? When you do this yourself, you need to realize this on your own and draw the proper Venn diagram. There's a universal set, and there are 3 people outside that don't do anything. This is the correct way. Okay, even though in the exam, hopefully the teacher will come and tell you all what are the errors made, then you're correct. If teacher forgot to fix all these questions with errors, then bonus mark. Okay, so not just this chapter. Anytime you all notice, hey, why did this question so weird? Something, do come check with me. Okay, because at least I know, at least I can promise you guys I know what I'm doing. Some other people I don't know. Then there are more. Sony. So actually this page onwards, again the exercises. If you guys do find anything weird, check with me. What else? What else did they ask? Oh my god. Page number 18. These 2 questions. 7 and 8. I think you guys can see better what is wrong with this publisher. Okay, I don't want to get myself in trouble, so which publisher is this? It starts with P. It was once I thought okay. I thought at least for my era it was a pretty good publisher, but PPP, I don't know. I don't want to say anything else. It starts with P. Okay. And you all try to avoid me. I don't know. Okay. Don't ask me further. But come see. But if I'm not mistaken, it's that one. Okay. Come look at this question. Number 7. What the heck? Is it a Malay version? Gandaan empat. Is it an English version? Multiple of 3. Do these people actually know what they are doing or not? Not sure. But at least okay. So the answer definitely at the back is you will you don't have to see it now, but later when you look at it, you will understand why. Okay. So for now, the answer at the back definitely salah already. We'll follow the English version. Okay. I'll just erase the Malay version. And if you got a liquid or correction tape come on lah, erase this also. If not, maybe just find a blank spot and then you do your own diagram. Okay, once again, why I need to erase this lah? You know why later, but let's remind you again. Don't automatically assume ABC 3 sets will look like this, please. Okay, no, never. Okay, right. I'll erase it. I'll teach you how to think. Okay, then I use the word think because you cannot memorize. There's nothing you can memorize. You practice and then eventually you can do it on your own. Okay, so let's start. Now the question, given universal set 23 to 32, do you still remember what do they want to tell you by universal set? It's the entirety of the question, 23 to 32, nothing else. Okay, universal set says KFC. Then the entire question only got KFC. No Pizza Hut, something else, right? So then they tell you A, what is A, then what's B, what's C. So maybe try to tell yourself what answers are there in A and then B and C, then you can see how they should interact with each other. Okay, so A. They say it's X and then X is a multiple of 3. So how? Who should be the first answer? Should I write 3? Teacher, multiple of 3. The first one is 3 lah. Can I write 3? Cannot, because already mentioned universal set starts with 23. Okay, so the first answer, there's no more 3 no 3, no 6 okay, starts from the 23 and then you check multiples of 3. Answer 24. The first one is 24. 27, 30. Got 33 or not? Nope, because the question is until 32 only lah. Understand, huh? Okay, I nag so much because I want you guys to be actually good lah. Genuinely good, not like these people lah. Okay, oh my god. Okay, then B leh, I go tell yourself what's in B. Okay, I try to charge my iPad again lah. Hopefully it won't act weird anymore. If I don't charge, I cannot survive until 10. Okay, B. So prime number, unless you don't understand prime number, don't remember prime number, then you want me to explain, I'll explain. You remember what are prime numbers, know what should be in B or not. So it should be 23. My god, it's acting a little bit weird, but so far I think still okay. 23 and 29 and 31. Okay, stop. Any more answers? No, huh? Okay, C. So they say what? C smaller than 28. So answers will be 23, 4, 6. Oh my god. 27. Do we have 28? Nope. Because they say smaller than 28, unless they say smaller or equals. So stop. Okay. Now, if you cannot check all three together, then you check one by one. So first of all, if you cannot, you go check. A, B, C. Do they all have same answer? If yes, then you know how they interact. They will all touch each other. Okay, but no, right? Okay, if you really cannot, then you check one by one. A and B. Right? So look at A and then you look at B. Do they have any common answers or not? No. No, then I can confirm. A, oh my god. Okay, I'll put it out first. Okay, just like this. Okay, A and then B. They don't have any common answers. That's why I know I can confirm you not all simply gathered. And confirm they're gonna look like this. Understand? Then okay, I check A and C. A and C, do they have common answers or not? Yes, 24, right? And 27 as well. So that's how I know A and C later confirm will touch like this. Okay, I have yet to check the B, but you understand what I'm trying to do and what you should learn. Okay. Then now I check C and B. Okay, B and C. Do they have any common answers or not? Yes, right? So you see 23, 23. Then only I know C and B will also touch each other. So then can confirm they are gonna look like this. Okay, for the shape, again, you can draw whatever shape you like Circle oval, rectangle, love shape. Oh, okay one. Just don't draw anything inappropriate. So this is how it is done. Not like what they show you there. Okay. And also there are two versions of Venn diagram. One is elements version, another one is number of elements. Okay, for this question, I think I should show you elements version. But if you want me to show both, I can show you both. Okay, but I'll show you one first. Okay, already knew A and C, they have common answers, which are 24 and 27. So when you want to write and show every single answer, then make sure you do it like point form. Put a dot in front. This is the correct way. Okay. Now B and C 23, like this. Okay. So A will have its own answer, which is 30. And C will have 35, 26. There's no more. B 29 and 31. Any questions? Are we done yet? Are you done yet? You gotta check yourself, right? Universal set says 23 to 32. Some numbers are not shown yet. Where are they? Not in A, not in C, not in B, or outside lah. Then only we know. We draw this rectangle, universal set, and then outside got what? 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 28. and 29, 30, 31, 32. This is how you should do it. Understand? Any questions? Okay, let's take a look at what they show at the back. What the heck, man? What the heck? What do you guys think? Huh? You as a student should be able to tell this should be wrong, right? Okay? What the heck? Any questions? But you also keep yeah lah, huh? So if really you all see something like this, you all come and ask me lah. Okay. Also, the numbers they use, probably they follow the Malay version, the multiples of 4. Okay, okay. What else? Number 8 also. But anyway, since I fixed this for you, you make sure you check you can do the questions here or not. Because if you cannot, okay, then I continue giving you answer because the answer at the back confirm different one, confirm wrong already because they already got this thing wrong. And I want to follow the English version, right? If you really want me to show you the Malay version, also okay, no problem one. But whatever you need to memorize are just 2 things. What's union? What's internet? What's internet block? What's intersect? That's all. The rest for this chapter, you need to practice. Okay. So before I move on to number 8, you guys got any questions not? Later when I'm done, you all help check also lah. Okay. You still find any questions scary or not? You think you cannot do? I do with you on the spot. Okay, but know that there are people, they, you know how they found these questions for me, because they do at home. I don't know what you do at home, but there are students like this, okay, same age as you, you all be careful because you all sit for the same SPM. You know, SPM is your A depends on 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 the statistics. Okay, if everybody suddenly decides to study hard, then it's pretty hard to get A. If everybody lazy, then easy to get your A or something. If you guys know this fact about SPM, okay, number 8. Oh my god. Okay. What's wrong with number 8? 35. Okay, you look at the PM. 35 ball lorry Gaga. Gaga is fail. Okay. Fail the brake, and so they tell you what speed. 28 fail gagal, the lampu. Okay, so far no problem. The Malay, the English, everything follow. Then you see 48 boa lorry lulus. Lulus is pass. Pass, and then here also they say pass. Wow, they macam yes like this. They like, give you fail, then suddenly they give you pass. So to like confuse you. Are you confused? Because they confuse themselves. Number 1. You see 48, you see a 38. You know what's wrong with this publisher already. Okay, again, the P, okay, the P publisher. I don't want to get myself in trouble. Okay, again, I would like to follow English version. Okay, can still do, but just know that the answer at the back is wrong. They confuse themselves. Okay, so let me give you the correct answer. 35 trucks failed the test for brakes. Okay, did they say only? Nope. Well, I'm so annoying, right? Okay, so the 35 is supposed to be this entire B. I can't do anything because there are 2 empty spaces here. I can't do anything. Okay, I just like read and note it. 28 trucks failed the test for lights. So again, the 38, they did not mention only, so 28. Yeah, the 2 spots here. 38 trucks passed the test for both. Okay. Excuse me. You should be able to label this lah. Okay. Know where to label or not. Fail brake, fail light. If pass both, then what does it mean? Nothing hard, right? Should be here. Oh God. 38. Any questions? Then how? teacher, you say the 35, you cannot do anything. The 28 also, you cannot do anything. How? Did I tell you how last week? Huh? One very important skill when you do this kind of question is, if really there's something you don't know, you don't be like a kid and say just don't know. Okay, put unknown. Actually, you can put anywhere. But usually, if I do it lah, okay, I think I will put it here lah. Oh my god. Sorry, I got charged my iPad lah. Okay, but oh my god. Okay, let me put it out first, and then exit. Okay. How many trucks failed both? They did not tell me, right? I also don't know. So see what I do when I don't know, put unknown, okay? Then you can begin to do the rest. 35 was the everything. So if you write x here, you can now write 35 minus x. If you don't do this, then you are gonna leave the entire question blank, right? Clear? Wow, I'm so annoying. I keep nagging on all the class mistakes I see lah, right? So the next one also you can do 28 minus x. Any questions? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then how to find your x? Do you remember what to do later once you have done labeling everything? You know every single corner already. How? You need to get used to this. Okay, the question already mentioned the total. So total means everything add together is equals to the total, the 80 lah. Okay, write it out so that you can finally solve the unknown. Okay, I'm gonna, since today is supposedly day 2, you do this chapter, and then just now you all also like didn't ask me any extra questions. You didn't say you tak faham anything, so I try to shortcut again. Okay, at least I mentioned the traditional way first. Okay, the normal way, the very classic way is then total mass. So this one, 35 minus x plus 28 minus x plus 38 equals to a total 80. Okay, maybe it sounds a little bit too long, right? Okay, especially with the questions we did last week. Oh my god, do you want to write so much? Okay, so if not, you try to understand this shortcut a little bit. So we read the question. The entire b is supposed to be 35. So instead of writing both, I can treat it as one whole thing. 35 plus 28 minus x plus 38 equals to 80. Make sure you have this habit. Secondary school math is like this now. Make sure your equation is complete first. I'm not sure if any of you are like this now, but a lot of students, they struggle because they are still in primary school. Their thinking is still in primary school. They thought every time they write something, they must be able to find answer right away. Cannot. Especially with your exam type question. Okay, if it's so straightforward, then what for they give you exam, right? You use brain, ma. Okay, so make sure you finish the equation first. Write first. Write, not solve. I didn't say solve anything yet. Write first. Then you can solve x already. Okay. Oh, let me check. Anybody here cannot find x when you see this? Don't forget I won't mention names lah. If you also can, then we just check. You just check whether you get it right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you see that? Okay. Maybe at least I try to show you through my workings. Sorry, 31. Okay, any questions? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if this appears in your exam lab, they actually ask you to complete the Venn diagram. Takkan you leave unknown. Okay, when they ask you to complete. So in the exam, right, you gotta erase that and show answer, but I just want to show you all. So I'll write 11 here, and then 35 minus 11 is your 20. Oh, hey, 21, my bad. Why I keep writing 21? Hey, why I keep writing 11? Okay, I need to unblock this one first. 14. And then this is 7. All right. Any questions? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you all now. I mean, in case okay, any of you may think wow, you teacher, you can say whatever is it, like you can simply say the question error ke apa you all can check yourself okay. Look at what they do. They say 48 is here. So remember the B for fail breaks the L is for fail likes okay. Then they say the 48. Let's look at the PM because the 40 is PM. What did they say? Lulus How? I don't know. They confuse themselves. Okay? Because if you label here, should be gagal both. Understand? Any questions? So hopefully you become real good, not like these people that actually make reference books. Okay? If you cannot do you need to let me know. Okay, the answer is definitely wrong at the back. So anybody can't do B, also the B for question 7. Okay, your check. Meanwhile, let me double check. Did they ask me? Did they find anything else that's weird? Excuse me. I think no more but just be careful okay. Page 15 onwards, okay, of course I won't say wow everything they make salah but it's pretty bad. This book is actually pretty bad to make mistakes like this. Too much. Like 1 or 2 questions okay but no no questions you all also have chapter 5 already, right? If I'm not mistaken, they sent 2 chapters together. So actually, I can start chapter 5 anytime, as soon as you guys are ready. But know that chapter 4, you need to practice, so you won't be like that, keep making silly mistakes. And hopefully this class as well, you all can try to do as many questions as you can for the 26 pages here, and then you see you can find any weird or scary questions or not. I think for today okay. Let's see if you guys can try to tell me this or not. Like go to page 11, because I'm not sure. Like, did I do question number 4 with you guys? Did I? Anybody remember? Let me check. If I haven't, I should. God. Okay. God, but if you want me to redo, I'm okay. But if God meaning I've already shown you this one also like 3 circles and 3 sets. Okay. Not always not always like this, yeah. Not always like this, please. Okay. So if we have already done question number 4, then okay, I'll go do the number 3. Look, answers are here. They've already drawn and labeled everything. You should start now. Okay, because I think no more nothing else. No more questions that are dealt with errors. Okay. If really you still find anything wrong, double check with me. And also not just for this chapter. Okay, any other chapter from anywhere, I don't know where to get those questions, but you don't know girl, weird girl, come and ask me. Okay, number 3. Can do on your own or not? If can, I'll give you some time to try first. Like after all the weird questions that I've discussed, come try a normal question. Train yourself how to think again, how to read the question. But if as soon as I see one student here saying, teacher, I don't know, start teaching right away. I'll give you some time, 1 minute, 1 minute to read the question and then maybe try. It's not exam yet. You can still ask question. In the exam, nobody can help you. Okay, 1 minute. Wow, I don't see anybody saying don't know. Okay. Question A. Number of people who like to eat durian is 100. Wow. Durian. Okay. Durian only. Know the difference? After I've mentioned it for so many times. So if no question, then sorry. What? Why did I say durian? What the heck? Why did I say durian? Sorry, rambutan. My goodness. Oh, rambutan. And the entire rambutan is this, right? So 100. My bad, my bad. Gosh. Oh my god. Anyway, no. It's wrong, when the iPad is charging, not write anything. What the? Hmm. B leh. Everyone knows how to do B meh. Even though discussed before, we have done something similar before. Just make sure you know how fraction works. Really. I'll choose to trust you guys on, okay. Then if you lie, you don't know, but you act like you know, eventually it's you explaining all your bad grades if you get bad grades to your parents, not me. I just show. I mean, if they want evidence, then I just show the recorded video. Maybe your daddy, mommy watch the video. Wow, then suddenly they can do sets and then you cannot do. Oh my god. double confirm. Everybody can do B. Good. At least I show you through the workings. See whether maybe all of you really know, and then you make sure you're doing it right. That's part one. Any questions? Now, at least I show through the workings. If you really know how to do, then this is how you do it. The elites, they do it even shorter. All the plus minus times divide, they start to skip already. Okay, no questions. Part two. Calculate the number of people who like to eat durian. They did not say only, so they want the entire durian. Already found Q as 11. So you just press calculator. Okay. Any questions? Five, four, three, two, one. Excuse me. Okay, so anybody like it's probably you, Song Ling. Never mind lah, I choose lah. Okay. Anything hard and also problematic, I think I tried to do with you already. If you find more of those questions, then again ask me. But I think before your goal for today, just go to page number 10 and do this question 2 on your own so that again you actually train yourself on how to think or how to draw your Venn diagrams, not by guessing, not by guessing lah, not by memorizing, nothing to memorize. Okay, so at least you finish this question first before you guys really go later. You still have a question, you should stay and ask, but if you really can follow so far, it should mean pretty good because the questions that we did last week and today should be at least harder than your average chapter 4 questions. So let's look at this question first. Blah blah blah. You see rambutan, these three things. And okay, they have been asking for like percentages, right? Because what you are given here is percentage, not like 68 people, but instead it's actually 68%. Make sure you read that. Yeah, because they're trying to hide some information from you, but you should be able to figure it out. Okay, but anyway, rambutan, durian, and the pineapple, they want to use N for nanas. Okay, now we follow N for nanas. Okay, so three things here. How? You know how are they gonna interact or not? You check. Continue reading the question. Rambutan 68% did not mention only. You know what to do. Okay. So blah 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 blah. The one thing that is actually helpful for now is the last one. This one. Okay. Because only when I have read this, then I would know. My God. Oh my God. Okay, then only I know then there are many people that like all three fruits. That I know it's like this, not by memorizing. Okay, so R, D, at least I will do it this way. You may have some different shapes, or you may label your D somewhere else, but yeah, that's how they should interact. Oh, also the 8 I can fill in the blanks already. Okay, so this one is not hard, leh. Why? Because straight away they give you this. You can find the rest already. Correct? So rambutan give you 33. 33 minus 8, 25. Seems like nobody say, oh, he or she cannot do ma. That should mean you can do. Then you check if you have gotten these numbers correctly or not. Any questions? Did you need me to explain any numbers you see here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then again, think. I use the word think. Are you done yet? So one more thing you need to check when sometimes you think you are done, but you need to check on this. Is there any answers outside? You need to check if the question. I mean again, your exam. You think your exam will tell you? They tell you, then what for? They give you exam, right? So got anybody outside? Actually, if you continue reading a question, you would know. Another way to know is that given percentages, right? Even though they did not mention, but you should know what is the total for percent? 100%, right? So if you add all these numbers, it's only 88. So where is the 12% that is missing? Outside, the 12%, they don't eat any of the fruits here. You need to think on this part. Okay. Kalau memang tak ada, then this is what you do. You should not draw the universal set because universal set is this 3, nothing outside. Sorry. I cannot draw universal set one, so I don't care. Your teacher also won't care. Your teacher see you agak draw it they won't deduct your marks. I've never gotten any marks deducted for my universal set Okay. Hey, sorry. Oh, sorry. I accidentally locked my iPad trying to charge it. So they answer what they asked next. Like exactly 2 fruits given. Okay, so I've been saying only, but you know that exactly meaning, same meaning as only. Specifically 2 fruits. No more, no less. Just two only. Okay, they didn't use the word only, but they use something similar. Exactly. 100 same summer je lah. 100 is it also means one, right? So you know how to choose your answer or not? Exactly two fruits. 25. Okay, I don't care for the strange lines. And oh my god. Okay, 14. Okay, the last question for the day. And then 7. Okay. Now, if you are thinking, teacher, what about the 8? No, the 8, they eat all 3 fruits. Correct? They want exactly 2. So the answer is just 25 plus 14 plus 7. You should see the answer written there. 46%. Okay, all the numbers, all the numbers given there are percent. So yeah, 46%. Okay, and B does not like any of the 3 fruits. We actually figured this out before they asked now. Okay, so 12%. B, you were at 12%. Wow, no questions lah. All of you very good lah. But this should be a new norm. These people, you guys are okay. Actually, you guys attending online class, you know you need to be more disciplined than those who attend physical classes or not. Because I cannot see what you're doing behind the screen. You better be more disciplined. Physical class I can see. Then when anybody doing whatever, at least I can see, oh, this guy doesn't know how to do, and then I can correct, I can teach. Whether you all yeah, I can only choose to trust you guys lah, okay? Until one day your mom, your daddy, mommy, find out the truth. Maybe the truth is, my mom, you are so disciplined. Yeah, okay. For today, I will stop here. If you have questions, you stay and ask. If no, can go already. Bye bye.